more pictures of this arch and I'll explain why. Kasi this is more meaningful compared to the other one. Sige. Tapos, we're gonna dress. Ready na ba tayo mag-dress? So, follow me lang. I'll put it up.
Escolta Car Park. Oh. Ang likot lang pala. Doon tayo galing kanina. Ang galing. Likot lang pala yun.
Okay, can I survey lang our team right now? At this point, so far dun sa lahat na pinuntahan natin, which ones are your parang favorite buildings? No? Or at least one favorite building? Can I hear from anyone? Ano so kayo yung favorite yung building? Elmebel! Wow! What else? Meron bang another building aside from Elmebel? Elmebel also. So the voting too? And then next siguro yung Chapo. Kaya kasi alam ko for sure maraming pupili to Elmebel. Kaya pinili ko siguro yung Chapo. Pero ito naman ako, diba? Pero gusto ko rin kasi yung essence niya. Again, both structures comprise the earliest skyscrapers in the country. Again, Escolta is home to many firsts. First skyscrapers in the country. So meanwhile, we have our welcome arch here. And then another 10, and another 10. Ready, the first batch goes with... Oh, si Johnny! Let's go! Okay, 10 person at a time. Tapos siguro, we wait for 10 minutes. Tapos another batch. Okay lang ba? Pero meanwhile, for those of you who would like to see it yourself, nandoon siya sa slide natin. Makikita niyo siya, nakalock. Alright. And then again, it used to, sailors around the Philippines, parang pang-advocacy nila is our Baccalaureate path that we are a sailing country basically. So ngayon, magpaalam tayo. Minsan lang to. Excited ako kasi first time ko doon. Sige po, wait na. Mag-ingat na lang ito tayo. Sige parang, first time do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hanggang sa'yo. So,
First 10 lang po ah.
so, ingat na lang. Uy, tumulag ako. Nakatingin ba lang eh?
First 10.
Okay.
Oh my God. First time ko sumakay.
Pwede. So, it's another experience in itself. Only here in our Escolta Tour exclusive. Take care lang while waiting for the others. The other ones, alam mo lang, kasapusang-pulang na tayo. Again, kung hindi kayo nakasakay pa ng Escolta Ferry Station, maybe this is just a glimpse of para natin ma-experience pa gano'n. So, wala ba kayo motion sickness pa gano'n? Yeah, tax lang. Yeah, medyo mabubuka kasi tayo right now. Ano?
Oh, ano po sa inyo?
Wala mo.
It was constructed elsewhere, this one.
Pero yung ano niya talaga.
Parang it was patterned, of course with modifications na, pero parang it could sell its way, parang talagang safety around, community concept. Kasi ang ano niya, ang concept, I think he was able to sail, parang following the circumnavigation of the world. Like yung kay Magellan, ginawa niya itong palagay na to. So, marami na siyang pinagdaanan. Okay. Yes, that's the one. Natry niyo na yun. So, ito na lang sa akin.
Oh my God. Pwede, dahan-dahan lang. Teka lang ha. Ako na lang po. Teka lang. Baka...
Ganda po.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Pero last batch na kayo. Last batch na kayo.
Kinakabahan ako eh.
So, dun sa mga may, yung kaya ng energy nyo sumakay, sakay, tara. So, paano ba? Yung paano po? Medyo ko na ng start.
Amazing. Oh, ganda.
Wow! Oh my God! Just look at that. It's so Picture na kayo, tapos maganda na. Kasi minsan lang, pamikita kasi siya dito sa area. I think we could ask him. Okay.
Oh.
Tapos, dinakaroon po kayo na dito talaga marami.
Iwan ko na lang to dito.
Tapos, naipaalam naman, pwede bumisita ka doon ng gabi. Salamat po. Si Kuya Flo po ay matagal ko ng kaibigan. So,
Thank you po.
Sa mga photography siya, diba?
Apa.
Thank you.
Hello po.
Oh my God. Hmm.
Okay guys, gano'n na lang. Salit tayo. Hi. Sama ka, ma'am. Join us. Okay, sama-sama. Oh, ano na ba? Ano na,
Ang layo ko. Hindi ko kita. Okay lang.
Kasi ako second time na pala. So naka-drop siya for the meantime daw. Wala pa naman daw schedule kung sila aalis o lilipat. Ganyan. So, okay lang few minutes. Ito, bigyan naman natin ng chance, diba? Okay. So, hello. Sorry na ito. Dito tayo. Meron silang expedition. Alam niyo, iba sa mga members ng expedition also hike the Mount Everest. Yung the first women, mga Filipina, who ever reach Mount Everest, ay part ng talaga expedition. So talaga ito yung mga tatakbo.
Karina.
Yes, so bago sila ito talaga expedition. Lagi yung circumnavigate of the world. Music is talaga. Imagine that. Yay! So okay na ba? Next batch na? Para let's give chance to others naman. Let's go! Yeah, let's move now. Kung ano. Ako na-enjoy ko na, happy na ako.
Ay, laki po. Okay, balik na. Oh, hindi ko pa ito napasok. Ah, pang sugars. Okay, ikaw naman. Ay,
Okay. Dito, layang kita para hirapan na. Gumagalaw-galaw.
ah, Diyos ko po. Thank you. Medyo
Ingat ha, nakaligat sa dako ba? Alright. Kaya? Careful.
Suyo. Thank you. Okay lang.
Okay
Baka
lang.
lalo ako ma-out of balance.
Oops, careful. Kaya?
Natatakot ako. Sige na.
Talon, what? Yes.
Ay, thank you.
Good job.
Thank you.
Kinabahan din ka, nakasasok ko yung makabalik.
Takot ako.
Ay, kayo ah. Okay.
Ay. May takot, may lula pala ako. Ay, excuse po. Ay.
So wait na lang outside those who have, ready na to verify.
Oh my God. Kinabahan ako doon. Tapos may electric fan.
As you can see, ganito yung style natin. Medyo we move out of the sidewalk. But this is still generally safe naman. Okay.